YouTube? It's your boy Slank. Back with another one. If you're new to the channel, share, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be alert when I post a new video. I haven't posted in about 8 months. It's been a while since I posted my first video. But I got a 04 Chevy Suburban sitting on 28s, wrapped in carbon fiber. TVs in it, a little system, a little something, ground effects, smoked out black. It's my baby. But now I'm kind of, putting some more money into it because I was kind of bored with it and I wasn't really happy with it. It was clean to everybody else. It was nice, but to me, it was all right. So now, got that money together. Now I'm getting it together. You know what I'm saying? Putting money into it. And I'm going to do it like I want to do it. And pretty much, it's been over here for a couple weeks. I'm getting new interior put in it. Customized console, and I'm adding 2 more 15s in there. So just little stuff, some new headliner, some stars in the ceiling. I'm getting all the headrests redid and black with red stitching, just a little something, man. But I'm on my way to Newcastle, Oklahoma, where the truck is, at my audio install guy that's doing the work on the truck. So he called me and hit me up and like, hey, I got some stuff out, so if you want to come down. So I'm going to go get some footage of it. I'm gonna take y'all basically from start to finish. So y'all gonna be on this journey with me. I appreciate y'all watching the video. Living with Mozzie and Hemi Life, man, I've been watching them for a little minute. And they motivated me to go ahead and just do this YouTube. So we gonna see how this go, man. Either you do it or you don't. And I want to do it. I want to see where it go. But I love cars. I love fixing stuff up. I'll tell you a little about myself. I'm basically from Tampa, Florida, and I came down here to play ball. You know what I'm saying? And had a kid and got married, and now I got 3 beautiful kids now. But making the best of life right now. All the stuff going on in this world, man, it's crazy. It really is crazy. But I appreciate every last one of y'all for watching the channel. Comment, let me know what y'all think about it. I'm really excited about this build, man. It's a real deal. Some good deals, this stuff, man. I'm excited like a kid in the candy store, man. Because when you do stuff, you manage it, on a budget, but get a little change, you want to dump into it. That's what happened. So I'm good now. Now I'm putting money into it, and I'm gonna see where it's gonna go. Now I want to take it to shows, and I want to trailer it to a show. You know what I'm saying? I'm actually getting a new wrap on it too. The wrap that I have on it now is it's carbon fiber. So what I'm gonna do, it was an everyday vehicle at first, and going to work and stuff, and finally I bought me a little bucket, to drive back and forth to work, and now I'm dumping money into the truck, so it sits in storage right now. That's why I keep it at, because I turned my garage into a gym so I can work out with all this COVID stuff going on. But just want to give y'all a little bit of information what's going on. I'm about to get on this highway, man. I'm finna be there in probably like 10-15 minutes. But when I get there, I'm gonna turn the camera back on and let y'all check it out. I'll holler at y'all in a minute. Yeah. All right, let's get this door open. Oh, there she is. See? She's sitting there. There she is. Boy, she looks bare, don't she?
This is freaky.
Yep. I know. Y'all know what them is, baby. You got that music in there. Some of everything, man. Look at that. All that's gonna be cleaned up. There's my subs. Get all my stuff over here. Console, TVs. That's also gonna be a different color. So it's gonna be black with the red stitching in it. Also with the headrest is also. There's my amps. I call it the Rap Guide. Yeah, that's the name I call it. Yeah, it's a lot of work in there, man. And then my babies down there. Slank, I got them inside the rim too, you know. Just different stuff. Look bare in there, don't it? Look like a totally different truck, man. And these bad boys right here. That's the man with the plan right there. Yeah.
Magic man.
Doing all the magic work, man. He gonna bring all my dream come true. That's what he gonna do, man. But yeah, man, I just wanted to show y'all a little footage of it, man, what was going on in here, man. To be continued, man. Yeah. But there it is, ladies and gentlemen.